Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, why does your earbuds LG Free Tone keep disconnecting? You have to start by open LG TONE Free application. If you add your earbuds to the application, you will see the same menu here. And firstly, we need to disable multi-point connection. So scroll down, and under the touch function we have it. So if it enable, just disable it and check, maybe it fixes your problem. Next step is to also at this main menu scroll down and go to Tone Free Lab. Right here at the bottom we have two modes. So try to swap between them. If you use high quality audio, just swap to low latency and check it. And if you use low latency, try to swap to high quality audio. Now, if it also didn't help you, next step is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now are disconnected from your phone, and then you just open the charging case and you can remove your earbuds and check it. If this method didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, also put your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the case. You need to press and hold at the both of touch areas on your earbuds, and touch areas located at the back side. Right here we have dot on the left and right earbuds, and this is actually touch areas. So you need to press and hold, as I said, and you need to wait until this LED light starts blinking red. Firstly it blinked blue because it entered to prank mode. You just keep holding these touch areas, and now we have red LED light, so you can release your fingers. And then we go to the settings, Bluetooth or connected devices, because we need to remove these earbuds from your phone. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds, and then forget this device. Then forget device. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top. And if you have iOS devices, you can turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or just go back and return to the Bluetooth. And we have connection, so check it, is it fix your problem. Now, the last option, what we can do is to reset Bluetooth settings. So firstly I will show it to you on this iPhone and then on Android device. So on your iPhone you need to open settings and then go to the general. Now scroll down and go to transfer or reset iPhone. Then click reset, and you need to select reset network settings, because on Android devices we have option to reset only Bluetooth settings, but on Apple devices there's only reset network settings. But once you select it and you will reset, you click on it and then you write your password, click reset network. It will remove all your Wi-Fi networks, so you need to know it. Maybe you don't need to reset these settings. Now let's move to Android device. And you have to start by open settings, and then scroll down. You need to find system. I have it right here. Click on it and then scroll down again. You need to find reset option. I have it at the bottom. Click on it, and right here I have reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Click on it and then click reset. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!